So it's a barrel curling iron that has a self-turning system here with a comb and panels that push and hold the hair against the barrel.
Today we're going to talk about the Farrah, the latest in styling tools. Have you been acquainted with it? Have you used it?
Oh yeah, Farrah is a beautiful product and I know a little bit about it, but I'm excited to learn more.
Well, we're here for the tutorial. So obviously the first thing you do with any iron is you plug it in, you make sure your hair is completely dry. Do not use it on wet hair, that's not what it's intended for. So turning it on. It seems simple, but some people make the mistake of just pressing the button. You have to wait for it to chime. And when it turns on, it automatically goes to the lowest setting, which is what I recommend if you're experimenting with it, keep it at the lowest setting. The way that I like to curl hair is that I usually curl away from the face. So when I look at it, I want it to be curling backwards, away from the face before I approach. And then you take a section and it literally feeds into the iron and you're gonna get the perfect curl.
Wow.
The size of the section depends on the amount of hair. If you have a lot of hair, take a smaller section. If you don't have a lot of hair, you can do bigger sections. And the amazing thing is that the way this carousel works, it's impossible to tangle and virtually impossible to ever burn or damage your hair. It is actually less damaging than a traditional curling iron. And also, say you're curling your hair and you're running for work and you're late and you happen to leave it on. Don't worry because it has an automatic shut-off feature.
That's amazing.
So now you are going to just slide the iron off the hair. Now at this point, some people want to run their fingers through it, want to see what it looks like. Be a little patient, allow it to cool, and then depending on the desired effect, you're going to brush it out, you're going to run your hands through it, you're going to spray it, whatever it is you normally do. I even tell some girls, if you're going out, do this part first, do your makeup. Once it's nice and cool, put your head upside down, and you're going to get a glamorous sort of evening look.
I love that.
Another way to figure out the direction, if you're doing the right side of your face, press the left button, because that will make the iron rotate in the correct way. And obviously if you're doing the left side, you're gonna press the right button. You know, sometimes when using the mirror, it can be confusing if you're just looking at the mirror, but with that sort of simple trick, it makes it a very simple way to figure out the direction.
I noticed that it also rings when it's...
Yes, so now that it's done, you can just take the hair out of the iron.
Wow.
And that's it.
Amazing.
We're going to use this not just to curl, but to smooth out.
Fantastic, I'm super excited.
So obviously your hair is dry and you have brushed it out, it's not tangled. And so you're gonna take a section,
Okay.
the iron's on. In this case, you can use a higher heat than the lowest because you're going to be using the iron quicker through the hair.
Okay, I'm gonna start with 3.
3 is perfect.
Great.
3 is perfect. And so now start with the rotation. Always, if you're on the left side, rotate from the right. Perfect. And you're gonna put it in the sort of the mid shaft of the hair. You can start as high up as you're comfortable.
What do we think?
You can go a little closer because you want to smooth from the top. You could also angle it in a little bit. Perfect.
Fantastic.
So now start the rotation. And now pull it outward. Keep pulling outward. As it rotates, don't stop the rotation. Keep going. That's great. So you see you get a little bit of a bend, but more importantly, you're smoothing out the hair. So sort of comb through your hair with it and then turn on the rotation.
Okay, let's give it a try. So,
Now use the rotation now.
let's go the opposite way.
There you go. And now start pulling out. Perfect.
Gorgeous.
You're gonna get comfortable with the basics and then you're gonna just move on to see what works. You can basically do anything. It's a hot tool that has the rotation, but you can use it as the best it suits you.
Yeah, I'm very excited about the frizz elimination aspect.
Anything that has heat and you can put a little tension to it will eliminate the frizz. So, and not everybody wants to flat iron their hair and have it stick straight. Most people want a little volume, a little more natural looking. The Farrah is the perfect option.
I agree.
I think it is the most revolutionary tool on the market right
Hey, if you say it, I believe it.
now. Well, you got to try it, so you're going to believe it.
That's right.